In this video, we're going to take a close look and make sure that your assignment groups in Canvas are synchronized with PowerSchool. Now, in previous videos, if you watch them, we've looked at how to synchronize individual quizzes or assignment tools and discussion boards, possibly, things of that nature, because quite honestly, you might not want everything to be synchronized that you ask students to do. So having the ability to select specific student work to synchronize between Canvas and PowerSchool is great to have. Globally though, we want to make sure that our assignment groups, again, that's what Canvas refers to, the different weighted categories that we use in our classes. They're called assignment groups here. And over in PowerSchool, they're referred to as assignment categories. However, back here, I have two of my music classes on a side-by-side for you, but only one is set up so far correctly to communicate the 90% and the 10% graded weighting setup that I have there. Only one of these two classes is set up to do that the correct way. And if you look carefully, you might notice the difference with your Where's Waldo eyes or Highlights magazine eyes, whatever skill set from your youth you're using to look for differences. You're seeing that maybe this one is over here and not on the screen on the right. And when I hover my mouse over, you can see that this says this is imported from Power Teachers Pro. That's Canvas's way of saying I recognize that there is a category over on Power Teacher Pro called Evidence, and I've found a match, and now they're connected here. So come at night with the nightly sync, everything that I've put in this assignment tool for what happens to be my my fall semester section of general music will definitely be going over to PowerSchool at night. However, this side is a different story. You can see I don't have any of these little markers here. So even though I have everything displayed, I have due dates, I have the correct character numbers in the name, I even have this little gizmo here that says these assignments are all set to go over. All of those steps, I'm still missing the big one, and that's synchronizing these assignment groups to find their match over in Power Teacher. So let's get started with that. It's really easy. You're going to go to the three-dot menu here, and you're going to scroll down to Sync, SIS categories. Now Canvas is our LMS, Learning Management System. PowerSchool is our district's SIS, Student Information System, SIS. So we're going to click this, and we get this little pop-up box here that gives us a couple different options as it sorts over, and it just did a quick check over in Power Teacher to see what I got going on over there. And it says, okay, this evidence, what do you want? These are all the different sections that I've put, that I either put in here or that have just come in here and were rostered in this Canvas class. I need to go down here and I need to find the matching name. I want all these to be evidence. It's a little tedious, so bear with me. I'll try and fly here. Maybe I can go a little faster without the mouse movements. All I'm doing is dropping this menu if it's not coming through on the video, and I'm selecting from a drop menu of all different types of categories that Canvas found in Power Teacher. I'm selecting the one called Evidence for this. Okay. Now with that all selected, I'll put this, I'll collapse that, and I'll do the same thing here, but in this, I'm going to select Homework. So what this does is this helps the Canvas group over here find its peer, its partner category over in Power Teacher, so that the two systems talk together more reliably. Well, that's the dream at least, right? And then as of now, I don't want anything. I just want these all to be unassociated. That's I use the more user-friendly, not included in report card grade, but that's the unassociated gets that job done. Okay. Now, with these all selected like that, all I have to do is click Sync Categories. I hope you enjoyed the background music. And the page refreshed a little bit. I got a little confirmation screen up here. And then you'll also see that I see the word synchronized over here as well. And then once you scroll down, no visible changes in here, but it's that synchronized that you're looking for. Now, let me close this X out here. And you still see I'm missing the little visible confirmation at a quick glance that these are synchronized. This one's going to require a page refresh. So if you head up top here, refresh it, and give a second or two. Now those icons should appear. Yes. And when I hover over them, imported from PowerTeacher Pro, in other words, now I'm talking to my PowerTeacher Pro compadre over there, and we're going to do our best to get these assignments synced for you. Along the way, if you have assignments that, for example, I have emergency lesson plan assignments here, if I do need to deploy these, I'll simply move these, turn on all the different gizmos and whatnot and publish them, but I'll drag this into the homework group later on. I will not have to do any of this PowerTeacher Pro syncing or anything. These two groups that I've now connected with this icon, whatever I move in and out of there will be communicated effectively with PowerTeacher Pro. I do not have to do any of these steps, but they're critical at the beginning of your year, your marking period, your semester, whatever class it is, to make sure your Canvas class is set up so it's talking to PowerSchool the right way if you want your grade books to match in Canvas and in PowerSchool. I hope this little side-by-side helped you. And again, if you need any help, ask a neighbor, ask somebody up the hallway who knows Canvas stuff, or reach out to a coach. They'll be able to give you a hand.